In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Festering Gel, which is this thing over here, right in front of me, in Once Human, okay? So, at the end of the Welcome Back quest, which is what you have to complete, you are tasked with securing Festering Gel. Now, if you're completely lost about this task, I'm going to show you and tell you how to do it, okay? So Festering Gel is basically a new deviant that you receive from beating the Monolith of Greed boss in Once Human. So you have to defeat that boss, go through a storyline, and you will get it. Now after you defeat the boss in the Monolith, you will be able to pick up the Festering Gel deviant, which needs to be placed in an isolated securement unit to secure it, which is basically this one, okay? Which, as you can see, it's in an isolated securement unit, and what you have to do to be able to use it is simply press F, and then you want to click sync to cradle, okay? And this will have to be confirmed, and once that's done, you'll be able to use him. As you can see, you can hold down your E key, and you can build a fortification, and it will spawn next to you and naturally heal you, okay? That's one of the things you can do with him. And the second one is to basically throw it at your enemies, just like that. There we go. And then you will be able to use it from there. Now, those are the two functions this little guy has. And yes, if you don't want him anymore, and you want to exchange him for, let's say, your butterfly, you can simply get him by simply going to the butterfly again, click an F to use facility, and then sync the cradle, and confirm, and that's it. You have the butterfly yet again. And now some tips to beat the Monolith of Greed boss. The way I did it is basically, I just had a pistol. It's very simple. You'll have to fight him off though, and simply fight him as long as you can, and when he becomes immune and sends his enemy soldiers, you simply have to kill those off and destroy those two spawns. This only happens twice though. And then what you want to do is have your butterfly set to designated target, and once he becomes hurtable yet again, once you can hurt him, simply shoot at him and your butterfly will do a lot of damage to him while you can just dodge his bullets and hide behind walls. Then you can simply wait for your butterfly to regenerate, to reload, and then you can use him yet again. And that's how I beat him, and it was very simple first try. So that was how to get the Festering Gel in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to this channel to help me out as well.